Hi there. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pull rosters and other reports through Infinite Campus. So there's two options for how to pull a report or a roster report. From the roster tab on the left side menu, you can click the report options button at the top and generate your PDF that way. Or you can also go to the reports tab on the left, and then you have options for other types of reports as well. So once you're logged into Infinite Campus, again, you're going to want to go into the instruction side of things. So we're going to click up here and go to instruction. And now there are two options of ways to do this. So if you're just looking for a roster with some of the information, you can click the left side menu roster right here. And up on top, you see a button that says report options. When you click that, this pop-out window comes up. Confirm your class and quarter and make sure you have everything correct for the one class you're looking for. And then here you have a few options. Here you have some printing options and display options. And over here you have some options about what kind of information is going to show up. So if you want their household phone number to show up, then you would click this box. If you want the picture to show up, you click this box. If you need to know their counselor's name, you would click this box. There's lots of different information here. It's currently set to shade alternate rows, which is good. And then when you're done with that, once you have all the right information picked, you click this blue Generate PDF button, and then a new window pops up with your roster. Now another option is on this left side menu to go to the Reports tab. And here you're going to get a lot of different options for different types of reports that you can run. You can run that same type of student information one by clicking the student one. That's going to bring up all the ones that are just student information. Look, here's even roster, which is that same report that you just read. You can do assignments and click for missing assignments. You can find information about the family, like portal usage. My personal favorite is this blank spreadsheet. So this blank spreadsheet, you can do the number of columns that you want. You can give it a title, like usually, your class name. And I actually use this one when I say generate report. If you have any questions or you need any help, please feel free to reach out.